The time now is 9:47 on this Saturday morning. Carl Nelson is here from the Imagination Station, and what better way to kick off Memorial Day than with an experiment involving pickles.
That's right, we're going to combine pickles, water, and electricity. So having said that, don't try this at home.
Right, water and electricity, never a go.
And let me show you why, okay? So I built like a really simple little conductivity tester, okay? I've got a light bulb and a probe. And if you stick this probe next to something that conducts electricity, like aluminum foil, the light bulb will light up.
Ah, all right.
Okay, so we're going to test some things. I've got some distilled water here. I want you to go ahead and drop the probe in any one of those.
Anyone?
Yeah, just start from the left.
Start here.
The light bulb doesn't light up.
No go.
Distilled water is not a great conductor of electricity, but we can help it out.
Okay.
We can add some salt to the water.
All
okay,
right.
so if we add some salt and I mix it up, dissolve the sodium chloride,
How about
drop
now?
the probe in,
Ah,
it lights up.
Okay.
Go ahead and pull it back
Pretty
out.
bright.
And it's still lighting up. So rinse off your probe in this distilled water. Get that? Okay.
Okay.
So sodium and chloride dissolves in the water, and you get ions that can conduct electricity.
Ah, okay.
Positive and negative ions that
Sure.
can conduct electricity. Now, to be clear though, it's not just things that dissolve in water that conduct electricity, because I have some sugar here.
Okay.
So we can throw some sugar in the water and see if this is conductive. Go ahead and try that. Nothing.
No go.
Sugar is not conductive. It's just a big sugar molecule that can't conduct electricity.
Okay.
So it's those ions that we need. And something that has a lot of ions would be pickle juice. Right? We got some sodium chloride in there. We got some potassium chloride. Go ahead and test. Let's get rid of this guy here. Go ahead and test the pickle juice.
All right. Oh,
All right.
That's a really bright.
So that probably means we can get a pickle to conduct electricity. All right. So that's what we're going to try to do
All
here.
right.
We're going to fish out a really nice, wet, big pickle here. And these two combs are connected up to 110 volts of electricity.
All right, so I won't press the electricity quite yet.
Yeah, don't turn it on quite yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how this pickle responds to that voltage.
All right.
So go ahead and press down really hard on that.
Okay.
Use your hold.
Oh, wow.
All right, and so the pickle,
Are we burning the pickle?
Just keep going, keep going. Yeah. So that's the cool thing, right? So those ions in there are conducting the electricity and lighting up the pickle. And in fact, the pickle is not a perfect conductor, and at some point you can see some of those little sparks shooting off to the side. We are getting the pickle juice inside so hot that it is turning into a vapor, and it becomes sort of non-conductive, and then the electricity arcs across the other side. Stop for a second.
Okay.
Now if we jam those probes in really tight, maybe we can get them in there where there's lots of juice, and we can see this really steam. So go ahead and try it again.
Is it going to explode? Is that a possibility?
I don't think that's a possibility. But
he doesn't think.
Give it the voltage there. Let's see. Look at, check that out.
Oh, wow.
Keep going. This is the good part. Okay, so we're heating up the pickle juice so much that it's turning into steam, and then every so often it can conduct and not conduct. Little pockets of conductivity and resistivity in there, and the pickle is sort of like sparkling and sort of lighting up. Kind of a fun experiment to do with ions, pickles, electricity, and how things sort of conduct.
Smells like a firework.
And it's going to stink in here for a while.
Yeah, well, thanks, Carl. All right, burning pickles on Memorial Day. Gotta love it. Great way to start off the holiday. Well, you guys are open this weekend, correct?
We are.
Okay.
Come down, check it out on Saturday. Lucas County residents, 12 and under, get in free.
There you go. If you're downtown for the Memorial Day Parade, great time to check it out. You also have grossology going on, so very fun exhibit for the kids.
Impolite science of the human body. Lots of really gross stuff. Well worth checking out.
All right, sounds good. Carl, thanks so much for coming in. That's this week's Imagine It. Let's send it over to Dave with sports.